Ukufuna i-30.
Ngisaka i-30 ka amajija bayafuna uToris la phansi awuthaya una. Mina
Ya wena.
Ukuthi kulebele la scope ngifaka yona ngibele
Avele ulimele ntwana.
bayeza abantu lapha. Ayizolo besidays boy.
Awuzi beziphakathi. Wena sport ayilena ntwana ngingaphi ngancane. Ay bafethu ni trend eish. Mkhobo wena ntwana.
Abathi chip.
Hola.
Mnandi.
Sure.
Shakuze.
Ngingani ushayishini.
It's the blankets, my brother.
Yeah, my brother, where's the wife, my brother?
Unfortunately, but
Hey, akunzima ngiyabona nami. Eish, awuthi akukho ukuzulu kuzenzela.
exactly.
Awukho
Then must make it
ukuzenzela.
fair, right?
Hayi. Ngona hey.
Yeah.
Bafethu tap the screen lapho, share the live. Follow the live please. Follow the live please. The license mina. Follow the live please. Tap the screen, follow the live please. Lasikhala kanjalo.
Where you guys from?
Sise we enjoy. Uyayiboya absala emva kwami.
Oh yeah, up the building.
Yeah. Sechoose. Mara not like Pagati deep inside. Cause last corner it's a different place.
It's a different place.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm in Pretoria.
Pitori. Ay, Pitori angisizi.
Yeah.
Never again Pitori. Babesigijimisa ngamaphanga. Yes. Pitori.
Yeah, I know
Sangene
Pitori is
emotweni
crazy.
isigijima. Sangene emotweni isigijima.
Awuna choice.
Sabukuma nokuma la.
Lapha ntwana bonge kubize necherry ntwana.
Ngishubheka i-fight.
Mara ke mina wa ulumiku ezole apha. Double tap the screen bafethu yashiya lo muntu double tap the screen share live bafethu. Hawu naba khona manje nangasebenzi lo muntu bayamgift nina ni 50 state gift.
Presa mo lo. Presa. Hello,
What's the plan for the weekend?
Sure.
What's the plan for the weekend?
For the weekend, since Sinasingaphuzi out here, today we're going for a meeting. We're just waiting for the team. Then it's Yahamba, so we're meeting.
So you guys, you don't drink, all of you?
None of us drink alcohol.
Thank you.
None of us drink alcohol. Alcohol in fact, yasihlula. If uphuza kakhulu udla imali yabo, imali izophela.
Yeah.
Uyakwazi ukwenza ubumnandi ungadakwanga.
I know that's true, but hey, booze is something that is a norm to many people.
Tina, we don't wanna use the money. We wanna just chase the bag and heavy. Mama,
Are you guys underage or something?
Mone mali cho velithi mali asambe sodle imali asambe siphuza utshwala hamba uphuza utshwala eqedwa imali and futhi mawuphuza ngeke uphuze lezinto ezincane unemali uzophuza obvious yabo so into ezikanjalo hayi asizifuni phuza cold drink phuza ijuice kube mnandi noma uzidonsele hook up ayi kube mnandi.
Yeah, Mara, that's true.
Perfect. Double tap the screen.
You can actually enjoy people's company or just create your own fun without booze.
I mean, I'm dead one friend uhlupha ukudlula abantu abadakiwe. Ngihlupha ukudlula umuntu odakiwe. Bathi yimi engidakiwe. Lapho yibo abaphuzile.
So I can imagine if you ever drink.
Yabona. If bekuthiwa
behavior's gonna change.
ngizokela bengizoyenza njani. So gcina sibuya sibangaka ekseni singazi ukuthi kwenzakalani.
Yeah, that's interesting.
How abantu bafethu double tap the screen. Ayifuni ukutapha le screen ne.
There's
Amakashi.
there's only two people on this life.
On your account.
Equal. Double tap the screen, share the live, Buffett. Send those gifts. A ring, Buffett, a ring. Kalo Jwala. Ngasang Buffett. Share live. Hello, Kalisa. Chap. Send the mic to Palisa. Send the mic to Palisa. So just join the live. Please come tap the screen. Come tap the screen. Share the live. Faka ama-gift lapho. Double tap.
Cover this guy.
Wasenda ama-gift ke ufa 16. It's for sale. 16 is for sale. Show much. Aye. I'll respond them. Back to race.